chocolate tier restaurant. It's very in theme of Baguio. I ordered a hot chocolate with vanilla, and then they ordered palabok, and there's also squid. Say hi. Hi. I'm starting a vlog.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
Did you watch? Yeah.
What did you get? Vanilla?
Yeah. I'm basic like that. I've got the chocolate. This is what the restaurant's called, guys. So I got vanilla, but it looks like that. Okay, cheers. It tastes nothing like vanilla.
But you taste the chocolate.
Yeah. Want to try?
I haven't tried the vanilla. I just tried the classic one.
Like chocolate. More subtle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, right?
Oh, vanilla. But it tastes nothing like vanilla.
At photo na lang to eh. Wala na siyang
Not bad. Yeah, try it, Dad. It doesn't taste like vanilla, but yeah, I wrote that. Really? What's yours?
No, there's honey.
In mine?
The classic one is much stronger.
Stronger?
Yeah,
Okay.
you try it.
This is
I think that's the classic
Is
one.
this the regular one, Mom? Is this the regular one? Can I try? Oh, it's not bad either. It tastes like a really strong chocolate. Like authentic chocolate without all the sweetener and sugar. Ano yan na, Dad?
Puto bonbon.
I'll try. Cheers. Oh, good. But I like the sugar. Obviously, I like the sugar. Oh yeah, baby.
Birthday na kasi.
Thank you. Excited, guys. Christita. Wow, that's good.
I think she does. Galan.
Maganda siguro pag you show everything, anak. Hanggang dyan siguro yung mga gagawin ng mga ano. Overlooking nila yan. Dapat i-maintain nila na walang mga building, na? Para hindi masira ang view. Malaking gusto sila.
What are we going to get, please?
I just want a Marienda treat. Oh, the toast. Guys, we are here at Cafe Stella. We're gonna try out. We're just gonna have some Marienda. We're gonna get a ube matcha latte. We're just gonna share. Yeah, get one more thing.
Apple pie.
strawberry rosemary pa.
So I'll show you the food later. With my mom.
Let's go get tart.
So fine.
Ano up ito?
Say hi, Carl. You're gonna be on YouTube now, guys.
Oh.
There you go. So it's Adet, I think.
Oh,
So move your head.
He knows when to focus.
Yeah. So wherever you move, you go. They'll move with you.
Oh, wow.
Good?
Ganun, tapang yung matcha niya. Ito yung kaya nga, kamugo.
Sarap. Na?
Hambot.
Carl. It's really good.
It almost tastes like graham cookie. No, it tastes like cookie.
Oh,
Like
ang lambot.
it tastes like a Biscoff cookie.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's not really tiramisu though. That's good. My drink, guys. It's ube matcha latte. Let's try it.
That's much.
Ade. Sayang.
Nagamit niyo na yung stove na bago?
Ah,
Ginamit mo na yung stove na bago?
yung alin?
Yung stove na bago. Yung nandun sa main kitchen. Ba't nga? Walang gumagamit ko.
Gumagana na ba?
Sinasaksay.
Ikaw, David, pag sinasaksak yan. I got it recorded too.
So we have an ube blended latte. Oh, okay. It tastes like coffee initially, and
Parang
then you taste
banana
it.
bread.
It's
It's
good.
aftertaste.
Yeah.
How do you do the moving? When you move, it will move as well.
Ooh. Try it, ate.
May ice cream pa siya.
I love that.
They don't have that in Brecca.
No. It's good, ate. Good, good, good.
Lahat masarap.
Sarap.
Okay, we're gonna try the
Ano
banana.
ba? It's
Meron. I found the saging right there. There.
It's masarap.
Cheers. Oh my god. Mmm.
Itsura ni Baga. Para bang
Tagal ah.
sobra naman yan.
Sawa na kayo.
Oh my god, that's really good.
Slice-slicein mo na, Teya.
That's the best thing I've ever had.
Ang sarap diba?
No, it's really good. Oh my god.
Subo mo lahat yan, Badet, para malasahan mo yung lasa.
Basta yung sabi. Ito yung sabi.
Oh, really good. Oh my god, Mom, you're so tiny.
Pati po.